The bar in Soweto, across from the depot, on the bar stool she took off her ring. I thought I'd get closer, so I walked on over and sat down and asked her name. When the drinks finally hit her, she said I'm no quitter, and finally quit living on dreams. I'm hungry for laughter, and here ever after, I'm after whatever the other's lives bring. In the mirror I saw him, and closely watched him. I thought how he looked out of place. He came to the woman who sat there beside me. He had a strange look on his face. The big hands were colors. He looked like a mountain. For a minute I thought I was dead, but started shaking. His big heart was breaking. He turned to the woman and said, "You pick a fun time to leave me, Lucille, with 4 hungry children and a crop in the field. I have some bad times, lived through some sad times, but this time your hurting won't heal. You pick a fun time to leave me, Lucille." After he left us, I ordered more whiskey. I thought how she made him look small. From the lights of the barroom to rented hotel room, we walked without talking at all. She was a beauty, but when she came to me, she must have thought I lost my mind. I couldn't hold her, 'cause the words that I told her kept coming back time after time. You pick a fun time to leave me, Lucille, with 4 hungry children and a crop in the field. I have some bad times, lived through some sad times, but this time your hurting won't heal. You pick a fun time to leave me, Lucille. You pick a fun time to leave me, Lucille, with 4 hungry children and a crop in the field. I have some bad times, lived through some sad times, but this time your hurting won't heal. You pick a fun time to leave me, Lucille. You pick a fun time to leave me, Lucille.